Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm making baked chicken shawarma. This recipe is so delicious and is so quick and easy to make, and you can make it within a matter of just a few minutes. So keep on watching. For this I've taken around 300 grams of boneless chicken cut into very small pieces. Marinate it with a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, a pinch of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and marinate it for around 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add some oil into a vessel, and when the oil is hot, add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. Saute it well till the onions are soft and translucent. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix well. When the onions are soft, add the marinated chicken. Mix it well and cook it on a medium heat for around 10 minutes till the chicken is nice and well cooked. You can adjust the seasoning at this point, so I'm adding a little more black pepper powder and a little bit of salt. Mix it well. Cook till all the water has been evaporated from the chicken and it's nice and well cooked. Now our chicken has been well cooked. Meanwhile, we can prepare the shawarma sauce. To prepare the shawarma sauce, I've taken half a cup of whole cream. To that, add half a cup of yogurt and half a cup of mayonnaise. You can take any mayonnaise, but I've used my homemade eggless and oil-free garlic mayonnaise. I'll leave the recipe in the description box and the iCard above. Add a pinch of garlic powder and some black pepper powder. Mix it well and our easy shawarma sauce is ready. Now to assemble the shawarma, I've taken a baking dish and brushed a little bit of oil on it, and I'm placing some bread slices with the edges cut off. You can take bread or cooked pasta as the base of the shawarma. I'm taking bread for now here. On top of that, add the cooked chicken that we prepared earlier. Add some French fries on top of the chicken. You can add some jalapenos too if you like. Next, add half of the shawarma sauce that we've prepared. You can do as many layers of this as you like. I'm doing just 2 layers. Now for the next layer, repeat the same. I'm adding some more bread slices on top along with the cooked chicken and a few French fries. Add the rest of the shawarma sauce that we've prepared. and then add a handful of grated mozzarella cheese on top. Bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for just 5 minutes till the cheese melts and gives a nice golden color. You can even heat it in the microwave till the cheese melts. So after 5 minutes of baking in the oven, our baked chicken shawarma is ready to serve. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick and delicious recipe. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time, bye bye.